What's up, y'all? Danny from Vanlife Northwest coming to you today with this very special Toyota HiAce Super GL. This Super GL is a LH119, which means it's a four-wheel drive with the 2.8 liter naturally aspirated 3L diesel. Very robust motor, very difficult to kill. And this thing's truly a baby with only about 30,000 original miles on it. It's got the 5-speed manual transmission and high and low range four-wheel drive transfer case, manually locking hubs. This van has been lifted by us about 2.5 inches, really just unlocking its off-road potential. It's got what equates to a 29-inch tire on it, so 235, 75, 15. Those are the stock rims. This is the identical van to my personal van, aside from the fact that mine's a auto trans. This is a manual. I love the hell out of this van. Something that differentiates the Super GL from the Super Custom is the fact that it has leafs in the back. Leaf springs is what I'm referring to, as opposed to the coils that the Super Customs have. So this has a 1,000 kilogram load capacity, which is about 2,200 pounds, which for a van this size is significant. So if you are intending to turn it into a camper, which most people are doing with these vans, perfect platform. Also, the wheelbase is about, I'd say, 8 to 10 inches longer. So between the wheels, it's longer than the Super Custom. Consistent with all the vans we sell, this thing's had a full maintenance update, which means it's had a full timing belt job. Timing belt, water pump, thermostat, idler and tensioner pulleys, cam and crank oil seals, all the main drive belts, intake crossover hose, timing belt cover, gasket, front and rear diff gear oil, transmission gear oil, transfer case gear oil, fuel filter, air filter, motor oil and filter, and a bunch of other things I can't remember right offhand. That's the core of it. So this van was an ambulance, and we'll go around the other side and you can see in more detail. Although I don't think this is a first responder ambulance, I'd feel like this is possibly for shuttling patients between different facilities. And that may explain the low miles, as it was probably something not used very regularly and also stored indoors. Body's in excellent shape, although we did do a little bit of body work here and there and a little bit of paint, really just to bring this thing to, you know, as close to perfect as we can get it. As you can see, we're in a bit of powdery snow. We're in four-wheel drive. That's really all it takes. This thing is just, I mean, all these HiAces are great off-road. I could have any of these rigs that we sell, and the HiAce Super GL is my choice, my favorite. They're beasts. They last forever. Hard to kill. Watch some of our YouTube videos where I'm taking mine off-road. You can see that beat the shit out of mine, and it keeps going. So let's take a look at the inside. What makes this thing kind of unique. Set up for a stretcher here, and it has the stretcher. And Joe, the buyer, is actually going to travel a bit and use that mattress and sleep here, I think. Which is cool. Why not? Got a little curtain rod that goes around. The floors already have some, you know, a vinyl harder wearing floor to it. So when he does turn this into a camper, if he does, probably keep the floor. Wouldn't be a bad idea. It's already going to be easy to clean. Front and rear AC works. Just a truly all-around badass van right here in like new shape. we actually have one just like this coming. So if you're interested in it, go ahead and give us a ring. Check out our website, vanlifenorthwest.com. Our website really serves as a portfolio for the work we produce. So check out the ones we've done before like this. We have, I don't know, over half a dozen Super GLs we've done. I don't know, I mean, they're all great. This one for some reason just really stands out to me, probably because it looks just like my baby. Also find us on Instagram. Pretty prolific there. Also, we post some of our off-road adventures there too in our story. So stay warm, y'all. Drive safe. We'll see you soon. Cheers.